and welcome to Shivus Education. In this lecture, we are going to discuss some questions based on rounding of a number given in exercise 1.3 of class 6 and CRT maths. So let us start. Our first question is to estimate each of the following using general rule. As we earlier discussed in previous video about general rule for estimation. So we know general rule of estimation says if we want to add, let us take two numbers 730 and 998. Okay, then we have to first estimate 730 correct up to its highest place, that is 1s, 10s, 100. We have to round of 730 correct up to 100 place. After rounding of 730 correct up to 100 place, we have 700. Now we will round off 998 correct up to its highest place, that is 1s, 10s, 100. So after rounding off 998 correct up to its 100 place, we have 1000. Then we will add these two numbers and we will get 1700. Therefore answer is 1700. Okay, this is A. Now question number B. Question number B is to subtract 314 from 796. Okay, so first of all we will round off 796 correct up to its highest place. What is the highest place in 796? 1s, 10s, 100. 100 is the highest place. Okay, we will now round off 796 correct up to its 100 place. We will get 800. After rounding off 314 correct up to its highest place, that is 1s, 10s, 100, we will get 300, and after that we will subtract and the answer is 500. Similarly in question number C, we will see that we have to subtract 2888 from the number 12904. So before subtracting, see it here carefully. According to the general rule, we have to round off these factors correct up to its highest place. Here, highest place is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. We have to see here that 1000 and 10,000 both come under period 1000. So we will round off 12,904 correct up to its 1000th place. After rounding of 12,904 correct up to 1000 place, we will get 13,000, and we will round off 2888 correct up to its 1000th place, we will get 3000. Then we will add these two numbers and we will get the final answer, that is 16,000. Now question number D. Here we have to subtract 21,496 from 28,292. Okay, as we know, according to general rule, first of all we will estimate both of the number according to its highest place. Here the highest place is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, but 1000 and 10,000 come under period 1000. Therefore we will estimate 28,292 correct up to nearest 1000. After rounding this number correct up to nearest 1000, we will get 28,000. Okay, again similarly we will round off 21,496 correct up to 1000, we will get 21,000. After rounding these two numbers correct up to nearest 1000, we will subtract and get the final answer, that is 7,000. Now we will discuss question number 2. Question number 2 is give a rough estimate by rounding off two nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. As we discussed in previous video about accuracy rate of estimation, that is if we round off any number correct up to 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, then accuracy rate is higher in 1s than 10s than 100 than 1000. So that it is written in question, if we round off to nearest tens, we will get closer estimate than if we round off to nearest hundreds. Okay, now let us solve the question. Question number A is to add these three numbers, that is 439 plus 334 plus 4307. Before adding these three numbers, we will round off these numbers correct up to nearest tens first. After rounding 439 correct up to nearest tens, we will get 440. After rounding 334 correct up to nearest tens, we will get 330. And rounding 4317 correct up to nearest tens, we will get 4320. After adding these three numbers, we will get the answer, that is 0, 32549, 33640, 5090 is the answer. If we round up to nearest tens, okay. Now we will round these three numbers correct up to nearest 100. Let us round 439 correct up to nearest 100. We will get 400. After rounding 334 correct up to nearest 100, we will get 300. And rounding 4317 correct up to nearest 100, we will get 4300. Now we will add these three numbers and get the answer, 00003640, 5000. Means after adding these numbers and estimating rounding off to nearest 100, we will get 5000 as answer. Similarly, we will solve question number B. In this question, we have to subtract 47,599 from 1,08,734. First of all, what we will do, we will estimate this number and this number correct up to nearest tens, and we will get 1,08,730 minus 47,600. Now we will subtract these two numbers, 003,116, that is 61,130. Now we will round off these two numbers correct up to nearest 100, and we will get 1,08,700. After rounding 47,599 correct up to nearest 100, we will get 47,600. Now we will subtract these two numbers and get rounding off to nearest 100. 0, 0, 0, 0, 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 7, 1, 10 minus 4, 6. That is 61,100 is the rough estimate by rounding up to nearest 100. Okay. Now question number C. In question number C, we will subtract 491 from 8,325. First of all, we will round off 8,325 correct up to nearest tens, and we will get 8,330. Okay. Now we will round off 491 correct up to nearest tens, and we will get 490. Subtracting these two numbers, we will get the answer 0, 13 minus 9, 4, that is 12 minus 4, 8, and this is 7, that is 7,840. Now we will round off these two numbers correct up to nearest 100, and we will get 8,300 and 500. After subtracting these two numbers, we will get 7,800. Okay. Now the question number D. Here we have to subtract 48,365 from 4,89,348. Before subtracting, first of all, we will round off these two numbers correct up to nearest tens. Okay. We will get 4,89,350. After rounding off 48,365 correct up to nearest tens, we will get 48,370. After that, we will subtract these two numbers to get the final answer. 0, 15 minus 7, 8. Okay, this is now 12. 12 minus 3, 9. This is 9, 0, 4. And this is 4. This is the answer we will get by rounding off to nearest tens. Okay. Now we have to round up these two numbers correct up to nearest 100. we will get 4,89,300 minus 48,400. Then we will subtract these two numbers and the final result is 0, 0, 30 minus 4, 9, and this is 0, 4, that is 4,40,900. Okay. Now the next question is question number 3. In this question, we have to estimate the following product using general rule. Okay. We know general rule. General rule says that first we round off two factor correct up to its highest place, and then we will multiply. What is the highest place in 578? Ones, tens, hundred. 100 is the highest place in the 578. Then we will round off 578 correct up to its 100th place. We will get 600. Okay. Now round off 161 correct up to its highest place, that is ones, tens, hundred. We will get 200. Then we will multiply these two numbers and we will get 6 to 12, and total number of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will get the answer 1,20,000. Okay. Now question number B. In this question, we have to multiply 5,281 by 3,491. First of all, we will estimate using general rule. And general rule says that we have to estimate correct up to its highest place. In 5,281, the highest place is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Therefore, we have to estimate 5,281 correct up to 1000th place. After estimating, we get 5,000, and similarly we have to round off 3,491 correct up to 1000th place. We will get 3,000. After rounding off, we will multiply these two numbers and get the result, that is 5 3 is 15 and number of 0 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore final result is 1 crore 50 lakh. Okay. Now the next question is C, question number C. In this question we have to multiply 1,291 by 592. Before multiplying, we have to estimate these two numbers according to the general rule. Estimating 1,291 correct up to nearest 1000, we will get 1,000, and after that we will estimate 592 correct up to its 100th place, we will get 600. Then we multiply these two numbers and get the final result, that is 6 lakh. Okay. Now question number D. In question number D, we have to multiply 9,250 by 29. Okay. First we will estimate 9,250 correct up to its highest place, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. After estimating 9,250 correct up to its 1000th place, we will get 9,000. Similarly, we will estimate 29 correct up to its highest place, that is ones and tens. After estimating 29 up to its 10th place, we will get 30. After that, we will multiply these two numbers for getting the final result. 9 3 is 27. Number of 0, 3 and 1, 4. Therefore, the final result is 2,70,000 answer. Okay.